Hi everybody! Thank you so much for joining me again for our next story time and craft. Today we have a really fun story all about Thanksgiving because in just 10 more sleeps we are going to wake up and it's going to be Thanksgiving Day. So I thought today we could talk a little bit about what it means to be thankful for the things that we have and the people that we love. So today our book is called Thanks for Thanksgiving. And in it, the kids talk all about different things that they are thankful for. And maybe some of the things that they talk about are also some of the things that you may be thankful for. So here we go. It's called Thanks for Thanksgiving by Julie Marcus, illustrated by Doris Barrett. Thanks for Thanksgiving for turkey and pie. Thank you for fall and gold leaves floating by. We've talked a lot about the fall and the weather. Thank you for school. I love to feel smart. Thank you for music and dancing and art. Thank you for playdates, for swings, and for slides. Thank you for hopscotch and piggyback rides. Thanks for sweet puppies and soft, furry cats. So they're thankful for pets they may have at their house. Thank you for dress up, red shoes, and big hats. So they're playing make-believe. They're pretending to be somebody else. Thanks for umbrellas, for rain boots, and puddles. Thank you for Mommy and warm, cozy cuddles. Thank you for Daddy and rides on a sled. I bet you pretty soon we'll have some snow on our ground to go outside and explore and do some sledding. Thank you for kisses and tucks into bed. They're getting all snuggly. Thanks for the moon and the stars up above. But most of all, thanks for the family I love. The end. So in the story, the children talked all about different things that they're thankful for. And being thankful means that you love having something and that you're very appreciative that you have it. So you may be thankful for the toys at your house or the loveys you get to snuggle with in bed. You may be thankful for books, for school, for family. You can be thankful for all sorts of things. So today I thought a fun activity would be to make a thankful frame. And then when it's all completed and dry, you'd be able to then put either a picture or a photograph or even write some words of something that you're thankful for. So inside your kit, you should have a popsicle stick shape frame, a little container of glue, a stick that's going to help you spread the glue, and then a baggie, which I already unpacked mine, full of fall stickers or shapes. Okay, so once you have all your supplies, we can get started. So I'm going to tilt you down so you can see my area. So here you can see my frame is here, and then we have our glue. We can open that up. And then we also have our stick, and that's going to help us spread our glue. And then all of our shapes. And you'll notice that some of the shapes actually are stickers, so you can always just peel them off. But it's a mix, because then some of the shapes don't have stickers. So that's why they don't have a sticky back. So that's why you'll need some glue. So you can start by undoing your glue, and then you can take your stick and you can either spread some of your glue right along your frame, or you can take your shape and put the glue right on it. And then we're just going to decorate the outside, because then the inside is where you'll be able to put a special picture or drawing of something that you're thankful for. So now I'm just going to keep decorating. So I'm going to put some glue all around the edge. And our frame is kind of a square shape. So all around our square. Okay. And then we can just start decorating. I'm going to take different shapes. Just see where I think they would look good. There was a little squirrel shape. We see lots of squirrels collecting acorns in the fall. I'm going to put another leaf up here. And then as you're doing it, you can kind of think about some things that you're thankful for. Some things that you love having. Keep decorating. Put leaves all down the side. A great big orange leaf. Just lots and lots of fall colors. And again, if you wanted your finger muscles to get a little practice, to get nice and strong, you can peel off the stickers too. And then you just keep working around, using up your shapes. And pressing them down. So then, when it's all complete, you have your own special thankful frame. And then I brought something, I printed something up for me today, and it's something that I am so thankful for that I was going to put into my frame to share with you today. So I'm going to tuck it in. And then when my frame is actually dry, I can either use some tape or some glue to put my picture in. But I'm going to hold it up to see if you know what it's a picture of. Can you see? There, it's a picture of children sitting down, and there's an adult, a grown-up, and she's reading them a story. So what I grabbed was a picture of a library story time, and that is something that I am super grateful for, is having all of you join me each week, because I love our story times together. So you could put a picture in yourself, you could put a photograph in, you can draw a picture. So I would love to see what kinds of things that you put inside your thankful frame. Thank you so much for joining me, and I hope to see you again soon. Bye.